Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In today's video, we're going over 20 woodworking tools that each cost under $100. Whether you're just starting out or looking for budget-friendly upgrades, these tools offer great value and functionality for any workshop. WoodRiver 4-Way Pressure Clamping System. The WoodRiver 4-Way Pressure Clamping System, priced at $46.98, applies even pressure from all sides, making it ideal for gluing tabletops, shelving, veneers, and laminates. It mounts to any length of 2x2s using the included screws. The set includes 2 clamps, 2 short bars, 2 long bars, and can handle boards up to 6 inches thick. TrackMaster. The TrackMaster Saw, blade by Infinity Tools, priced at $69.90, is designed for the Festool TS75 and features a 52-tooth high alternate top bevel grind for exceptionally smooth cuts, especially on laminates and cross-cut applications where chip-out is a concern. Made in Italy, the blade includes a nickel armor coating for enhanced durability and lubricity. Branding Iron Alignment Jig. The Rockler Branding Iron Alignment Jig, priced at $29.99, ensures perfectly straight and square branding every time with 4 points of contact for precise positioning. Designed for comfort and accuracy, it features a heat-tolerant plastic body with a rubber grip to limit heat transfer and inch markings for alignment. The adjustable aluminum stops accommodate various branding iron sizes. Pro Cabinet Hardware Jig. The Pro Cabinet Hardware Jig, priced at $46.99, is a durable all-metal tool made from forged aircraft-grade aluminum with no plastic components. Designed for precision and longevity, it features case-hardened steel bushings rated for over 10,000 holes, with 2 extra bushings included for extended use. Router Plunge Base Plate Guide. The Router Plunge Base Plate Guide, priced at $60.99, is a fixed-base compact rotor plate designed for trimming, milling, and engraving wood with precision. Featuring an extra-wide base plate and integrated handles, it offers enhanced stability and control for compact trim routers. Compatible with Makita and similar models, this durable sub-base is ideal for woodworking tasks that require accuracy and smooth handling. TriGrips. TriGrips, priced at $9.99, are non-slip work supports designed to securely hold projects during routing, sanding, painting, drilling, carving, and more. Each pad elevates your workpiece 1 to 3/16 inches above the surface, allowing full edge access while keeping it stable. Integrated cone-shaped painter's points offer up to 3 inches of elevation, with minimal contact on freshly painted or stained surfaces. Straddle Squares. Straddle Squares by Woodpeckers, priced at $50, are precision tools designed to simplify joinery layout by allowing you to mark both faces and one edge of your stock simultaneously. Ideal for accurately transferring marks across 3 sides, they eliminate the need to chase measurements around your workpiece. The tool stays firmly in place but can be easily adjusted to align perfectly with your mark. 4-piece corner radius guide set. The 4-piece corner radius guide set, priced at $91.54, allows you to easily and accurately add 8 different corner radii to your projects using a router table and a 1/2 inch or smaller flush trim bit. Made from precision-machined, hard anodized aluminum, each guide features 2 laser-etched radii for quick identification. iGaging Bench Square Set. The iGaging Bench Square Set, priced at $36, is a precision layout tool set designed specifically for woodworkers. It includes a 4-inch and a 7-inch square, a mechanical pencil, and a pack of replacement leads, all housed in a durable fitted storage case. The stainless steel triangular blades and anodized aluminum bases combine the accuracy of a machinist's square with the versatility of a speed square. Excel Steel Sawhorse. The Excel Steel Sawhorse, priced at $84, is a versatile and portable work support solution ideal for on-the-go projects. It features foldable legs for easy storage and transport, along with a built-in 45 by 95 millimeter work table that offers a sturdy, spacious surface for a variety of tasks. The Sawhorse includes 8-position adjustable legs for customized working height, a convenient carry handle for effortless mobility. Mini Circular Saw. The Mini Circular Saw, priced at $77.72, offers a compact, lightweight design for comfortable handling and easy maneuverability, ideal for extended use. It features tool-free cutting depth adjustment for quick, precise changes and a sturdy base plate for enhanced stability and accuracy. A rip guide locking screw ensures consistent, straight cuts, while the spindle lock allows fast, hassle-free blade changes. 3D Multi-Marking Square. The Woodpecker's 3D Multi-Marking Square, priced at $69.99, brings a new level of precision and versatility to joinery layout by allowing you to mark both the face and edge of your board at the same dimension with ease. Unlike traditional squares with thin shoulders, this tool features 2 full-length legs for accurate, consistent marking across multiple surfaces. Mini Chainsaw. The Mini Chainsaw, priced at $100, features a compact and lightweight design for easy handling and maneuverability, making it ideal for both quick tasks and extended use. Its ergonomic soft grip enhances comfort, while the variable speed trigger offers precise control for different cutting needs. Miter Saw Fence with Micro Adjust Stop. The Miter Saw Fence with Micro Adjust Stop, priced at $34.99, adds precision and repeatability to your router table, drill press, miter saw fence, or custom jigs. Designed for fences with a top-mounted T-track that's flat and square to the face, it fits 2 1/4 inch or 3 inch tall fences and includes interchangeable stop faces for both sizes. The knurled knob allows micro adjustments up to 3/8 inch in either direction, perfect for fine-tuning measurements. GuidePRO Bandsaw Guide. The GuidePRO Bandsaw Guide, priced at $79.49, enhances precision and safety during resawing and ripping operations. Its 6-inch vertical silicone feather delivers consistent side and top pressure for clean, accurate cuts, even with thin or irregularly shaped materials. The flexible, non-marring feather adapts to variations in thickness without damaging the workpiece and helps reduce vibration. Junior Folding Sawhorse. The Junior Folding Sawhorse, priced at $47.30, offers a compact, flat folding design that's ideal for easy storage and portability. Despite its lightweight construction, it supports up to 362 kilograms, making it both sturdy and reliable. Rubber feet and anti-slip pads provide added stability during use. Famag Bormax 2.0. The Famag Bormax 2.0 Forstner bit, priced at $19, is a premium German-made drilling tool crafted from high-quality alloy tool steel with a black oxide finish for enhanced corrosion resistance and reduced pitch buildup. Engineered for precision and longevity, it operates at higher RPMs without burning or clogging, making it ideal for softwood, hardwood, particle board, melamine, and MDF. 6X Folding Loupe Magnifier. The 6X Folding Loupe Magnifier, priced at $19.90, is ideal for inspecting photos, plans, documents, and fine details with clarity. It offers 6 times magnification over a 1-inch square viewing area and includes a gear-driven pointer for precise measuring and counting without losing your place. The compact foldable design protects the lens and makes it easy to store. SawStop Zero Clearance Inserts. The SawStop Zero Clearance Inserts, priced at $75, are precision machined from a durable phenolic core material with a low-friction, wear-resistant melamine surface on both sides. Designed for a perfect fit, they feature positioning screws for solid placement, preformed slots for the blade guard and riving knife, and dual metal wear plates for anti-kickback powls. Precision Miter Trimmer. The Precision Miter Trimmer is a cast iron tool designed to create flawless 45-degree miters with ease and accuracy, making it ideal for picture frames, cabinet doors, trim, and precise final length cuts. It features adjustable fences with dedicated stops at 45 degrees and 90 degrees, as well as the ability to set any angle in between. The razor-sharp 1/4 inch thick high-carbon steel blades are skewed for clean, tear-out-free end grain cuts. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters. We hope this list gave you some useful ideas for affordable tools. If you've got a favorite under $100, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking tips and gear guides.